Okay, so welcome to this crash course on InDesign with the EdCom, and I'm going to show you how to use software which is InDesign. And before we actually jump in and get our hands dirty on how to use the software, I'm going to try and show you what we can do with the software so that you have a better idea of how it works. So InDesign is amazing for magazine layouts, as you all know. It's also great for pamphlets, handouts, and a lot of text image layouts in general. So that's what we're working with, and at the end of these examples I'm going to show you a limitation, because it's much better to know what the limitations of the software are before jumping in. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few examples now. I'm going to show you a few magazine layouts I've created and other text image layouts which aren't magazine oriented, so that you know how the software works. And like I said, I'm going to show you a limitation, that's just to know the software better. And I will also show you how to combat these limitations, because most of the time all you have to do is go over to Photoshop and change a few layers, change a few transparencies, and move a few objects around. And I'm going to show you what Photoshop is and how it relates to InDesign. The entire Adobe suite is actually very interconnected, so it's really good to know a few complementary softwares. Photoshop also helps with fixing saturation points, hues, brightness, etc. Um, we also use Lightroom for this, but I really don't recommend it, because you really can't use layers in Lightroom, and you can work with layers in Photoshop. But for easy fixes to a lot of saturation points, it's very easy to use Lightroom, in which case I will recommend it and show you how to use that as well. Honestly, I just said that because I didn't want to get whacked by Rohan, but I'll just show you whatever.